The UGC Gazette dated May 5, 2016 is implemented in JNU in the 142nd AC Council meeting held in December 2016. Social justice activists belonging to BAPSA and various social justice activists have protested against it in 2016. In 2017, they have blockaded the JNU administration block, and they have done series of protests in the year 2017. From December 2016 to March 2017, they have continuously did a lot of series of protests. For protesting this, 11 members were suspended in December 2016, and in October 2017, 16 members were rusticated for protesting against the UGC Gazette 2016. What does this Gazette say? This Gazette says that there should be 100% Viva voice examination. This Gazette also says that there should be a research cap for the professors and associate and assistant professors. So it introduced seat cut. Against the seat cut and against 100% Viva, BAPSA and social justice activists have fought against it, and they have closed the JNU administration block in 2017. And then the university administration did not listen to the demands of BAPSA and social justice organizations. And in 2021, we again see that in the entrance examination, students are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 marks in the Viva voice. So in 5 years, what did JNU do? In 5 years, JNU has repeated itself. That is, Brahmanism and Manu are repeating in JNU after 5 years. The history of JNU is nothing but the history of caste. And today, when students are given 1, 2, 3, 4 marks, on what basis are they given? They're given this because they're coming from communities and castes, coming from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward classes. Who are these professors who are giving low marks? This has to be a question. So the point is, the UGC Gazette has to be scrapped in toto. 100% Viva has to be scrapped in toto. There are committee recommendations from JNU, that is NAFEC committee, Thorat committee and Raju Bhatt committee. These three committees have categorically said that there is discrimination in the Viva voice examination. Raju Bhatt committee has said, then Thorat committee said, and then Abdul Nafeq committee said. Nafeq committee recommended that the Viva voice should be 15 marks. 15 marks. Thorat committee said that the Viva has to be compartmentalized. That is, 5 marks should be given for some marks should be given for the research proposal, some marks should be given for the MA knowledge based on the MA level, and some marks should be given on the contemporary academics. So this is what the Thorat committee recommended. So on behalf of BAPSA, I appeal that 100% Viva should be completely scrapped. UGC Gazette 2016 should be completely scrapped, and NAFEC committee recommendation should be implemented. Only then we can make universities. Only then we can make universities an inclusive space. The agenda of university is to be inclusive. With these few words, thank you. Jai Bhim, Hul Johar.